given the
Thank you,
Philippines
Lord, diba?
withdrawal
April
from
5.
Rome Statute.
Touched him greatly, especially on his 80th birthday. Let me just tell you something. There was a huge influx to the court itself. We have an office in the court, and my room was inundated with flowers. I didn't know what to do with it.
Yeah,
I don't. It's just a show of support and a show of love.
Paolo, si Congressman Pulong Duterte, kakakuha lang niya, kaka-approve lang ng kanyang visa. Nagpapasalamat kami sa tulong ng ni Hanilet. Bago umalis si Hanilet, darating si Congressman Pulong Duterte. And susunod, pag alis ni Congressman Pulong Duterte, dapat envelope. Yun yung huling-huling document na hinihiters kung sino yung mag-uusap about mga pangangailangan ni Pangulong Duterte sa loob.
Kaso, in fact, isa yan sa punla kung may sa ICC, palibasa wala na aktibong kaso,